There are great photographers out there, and there are people with a lot of potential, but there's a lot of people photographing today. They don't have a style. They don't know which direction they go. One day they shoot in airy and light, another day they shoot in dark and dramatic, and that doesn't go well with clients. I mean, you can't, it's really, I mean, I'm not going to say you can't, because there's probably somebody doing this, but if you're going to play on both sides of the field, if you're going to play being a light and airy type of photographer, but also catering to the dramatic and dark type of clients, you're going to run into some issues. For instance, the client go to your website and you have both styles, they don't know what they're going to get. They don't know, they get confused, they don't know what they're going to get. It's really hard to cater to both styles. So one analogy that I like to make is, let's say if you have an accident and you break your hand, right? Who are you going to look to do an operation on your hand? You're going to look for a hand specialist, or you're going to look for a family doctor, somebody who does everything. You're probably going to look at a hand specialist, and this is what it needs to be. You need to be a specialist, right? You have to have your own style.